Hi folks, today I'm going to show you how to uninstall programs on your Windows computer. This is part of a security suite in how to securely prepare your computer for disposal. The first way I'm going to show you is just using Windows. Go down to the Start button, I'm using Classic Shell, up to Control Panel, and then go down and click on Programs and Features. Need to scroll down to the program that you want to uninstall. This is a trial version which I never paid to continue, so it takes up a lot of room. So you can either right click in there and uninstall it, or click up the top, left click to uninstall the program. This all took a fair while. You need to click that if you want to uninstall. Just click Remove. Now this section here took a minute, so I've speeded it up to about quarter that time. And when it's finished, you can either restart, but I'm just going to cancel because I'm now going to show you another way to uninstall a program. Go down to the Start button and on All Programs find CCleaner. Click on the icon. Go up to the Tools and make sure that Uninstall is highlighted. Then scroll down till you find the program that you wish to uninstall. The one I want to uninstall is called WinXDVD, which is a very good program, and I've got that on another computer that I'm keeping. Then after highlighting it, just click Uninstall. And click Yes. And OK. You can then close the program. I hope you found this video helpful. Have a look in the description under this online video for YouTube links to related computer tutorials on how to securely prepare your computer for disposal. Bye for now.